Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a link to your TikTok bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to add links to your bio on TikTok, you need to switch to a business account. To do that, from your profile page, click on the three dots icon at the top right of the screen. Select Manage Account. On the next page, select Switch to Business Account. Choose a category. You can pick any category you want, then tap Next. Now you have a business account. If you go to edit your profile, you will see a new website section. You can add your link here. Once you have done that, go back to your profile page and you'll see that there is a clickable link underneath your bio. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.